check my Instagram. See what's this, bro? Oh man, I should like that, but I don't know if I wanted to know. I'm thirsty. What you gonna do with that big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Man, I'm telling you, dude. Oh, this is crazy. Boy, what the hell is that? What is this? Wait one damn second, boy. Wait a second. Wait one damn second, my boy. Man, that's kind of sick. But yo, hey, whose car is this? Hey, you? Nah, it's not my car. It's my teammate's car, though. Man, look. Hey, bruh, that thing is wide, boy. What is this right here? Why'd you put a table on the backside? I don't really get it, but I mean, it looks sick, though. Man, this thing is sick. This is sick. Yo, this is sick. Hey, what am I looking at? Like, help me with this, right? What kind of car is this? I mean, is this a Formula One car? Because, I mean, I see the wings and stuff. Looks like something that I know somebody got. Like, hey, look. My cousin's baby mother's sister cousin. I think she got one just like this, bro. It's done just like this, I swear to God. Word, let me see. Yo, it's just like this. Watch, hold on, I got a picture of it. Is that so? You got a pic? Wait, wait, bear with me. I'm gonna get the picture of it. Hold on. Bruh, look. Oh my God. Bruh, tell me, dude, what are you doing with this drift car? You don't drift. So you telling me that drift cars have bumpers? This doesn't make sense. It's supposed to be set up to be stylish. Every drift car I see, no bumpers, no headlights. Some are missing windows. You have to have bumpers on it. You have to have headlights on it. You telling me drift cars got shiny paint? Come on, dude. It's a car. It's not an old battle tank. Seriously, it's got to have shiny paint. Hey, homie, you don't have to lie to me. That's what a car without paint looks like. Seriously? Seriously? You have to have paint. What is a car without paint? Oh my God! Bruh! My God, what's wrong with you? Bruh! Bruh! What? Bruh. Yeah, I mean, we slide them a little bit. You're gonna be able to see some stuff. We got some videos up. You can check us out on Facebook, Riot Squad Drifting.